something also cool is that all these cushions are magnetized. So you can move them around. They're extremely heavy. They're weighted, magnetized. So especially for the upper helm station, for the captain, let's say, they can use this as a backrest. And captain, also as a bolster. You can move it forward, get a nice seat on it. And then as well as, of course, you can move it around for the guests. Incredible. Look how beautiful this is. Everything is concealed, just like down below. And then right here where they meet you standing is cushioning. Incredibly comfortable cushioning. How wonderful.